time. I like that. Just eat that shit up all day.
What's today?
Basically, we are going into the old stomping ground hood of the West End. We are in the West End of Winnipeg, and we're gonna go get some food, and we're gonna get some. Ooh, this guy, he did a nice little jump. That was a nice jump, buddy. Very nice jump. Very nice jump. We're so fucking cool. We're getting pizza at Jumbo's. Talk about fucking next level badass.
So Jumbo's is on film.
Sergeant and motherfucking Balmoral. You don't talk about the landscape of the fucking food in this city without talking about Jumbo Pizza. Not Jumbo's. It's Jumbo Pizza. Not Jumbo's.
It's Jumbo Pizza.
Quite the place. Like, you never know what's gonna happen. And you get all kinds of people at the place here. This girl just gave me a really nasty look. She was not happy with oh, she's got the tag on her shirt. Oh, she gets hugs. A chainsaw, or not a chainsaw, she has a saw on her bike, but
What do you think that's for?
It's probably for helping children that are stuck in trees.
something that happened here not too long ago, and there was a bullet hole on the fucking board. They didn't give a shit. They just left it there. They're like, whatever. It's kind of quirky. So the owner's probably like,
Nah, leave bullet.
oh yeah, we're not doing accents.
A bullet left behind.
Running out of time. So yeah, we're gonna get some pizza. See what the fuck that's like.
We're doing a pizza review. Thank you.
Can I get 2 of the pepperoni?
Sweet little pizza. I actually want that piece there. So you're getting me the wrong piece already.
You want the fresh pizza? What is
I
this?
want that big piece with the jalapenos, please. And I'll get the big vegetarian slice. Okay. Thank you. And I don't need a bag. No bag. $6.
Oh, can I get 1 drum?
Thank you.
Thank you. That's the owner. He's a pretty cool guy. I think the place that I'm gonna go and take this puppy to is gonna be Central Park.
If I don't dump it, he's going to give us a $700 fine.
So this is the pizza. Oh, I forgot I got a piece of chicken, so my pizza has a piece of chicken on it. So that's yours. What is yours?
This is vegetarian pizza. So it's got mushrooms, jalapeno, 2 types of cheese, onions, tomatoes, roasted tomatoes. Oh no, this isn't vegetarian. This is, it's got some sausage in it, so it's deluxe. Looks like a wicked piece of pizza. Honestly, that cheese looks so good. And the chicken is nicely snuggled in there.
This chicken is... I'm gonna eat the chicken first, man, because like, what the fuck? Oh man, okay, so I'm gonna do the chicken. Okay. Well, you can't tell me that's not, like, you can see it's greasy. It's pretty greasy.
Could be.
There's literally 1,000 pigeons there. Ripping it up. Okay. I could taste a bit of the cheese from the pizza because it sat on it. The main highlight is the grease. I don't eat the whole chicken, like the whole thing, like the whole. That's all I'm eating. But I eat.
You don't bite off the ends?
No. Okay, wait. That. It's good. It's greasy. It's good. You can see my fingers are super fucking greased up. So to wipe. Yeah, it's. Is it finger licking good chicken? I don't know if it was.
Did you lick your finger?
I did, but it wasn't. The lick was not good. The lick was a little bit wet.
Little pigeon.
Chicken Delight, KFC, Chicken Chef, Popeyes. What are other big chicken places that people know? We don't have
Candies?
Chick-fil-A. We don't know. People don't know Candies.
Jollibee.
Jollibee. This is like a piece of Jollibee chicken. If you like your Jollibee chicken, you'll be swimming all over this shit, man. So
How much was that drumstick?
I think it was $2. Anyway, so I would give the chicken out of fucking 10 on a review. I would say that's a 6.4. It's not bad. It's not like I'd be fucking showing this pizza or this chicken off to anybody. So pizza wise, my pizza sat for a little bit because I had to I had to wash that fiasco. But it's got, oh my God, a little bit of your pizza on there. It's got some grease. Like, there's a theme here. It's grease.
So good.
So, fucking solid, man. Like, I don't know if you can see underneath mine, but you can see it's pretty greasy. I think the grease is coming from the cheese. If there's cheddar cheese mixed in there, it's like it's snuck in there. Because it's not totally, no, it's definitely matzo cheese. So yours is all veg. What's yours? Yours looks way less greasier than mine.
It is not greasy, and it's deluxe because it has sausage in it. It's really tasty. You can taste all of the different elements to it, like the mushroom and the onion and the jalapeno provides a nice level of heat to it. It's not greasy. So that's why I said I think it's the meat that has like the oil in it, right? Which honestly,
look at your cheese.
I like.
It has no orange like on it.
I like greasy pizza. I like.
No, my cheese straight up has like, there's something on there.
No,
There's orange. The dough, you can see it's soft. It's like a mushy dough. It's a mushy dough.
It's not mushy. I wouldn't say it's like soft, but it's not underdone. Delicious. I don't know.
Like, it's super edible. It's very, I get quite a bit of grease going on. But overall, mine was pepperoni bacon. I think it's the standard. They have that all the time. Yours is veg. Deluxe? Yeah, but it's vegetarian deluxe. It's not, there's no...
It has some sausage in it. Yes, it does right there.
Oh, okay. So she just has a random, like, sometimes they'll have, like, slaps of random pizza. They're not underrated. Like, people know Jumbos. They'll know it right away. And if the guys that work at Jumbos there think, oh, this review is bullshit or whatever, they don't care. Because they're just going to keep making their pizza. But my review rating of this On my scale, I would say this is a solid 8.1. And that's pretty fucking generous because it's consistent. I've lived in Winnipeg for like 22 years almost. I actually used to live right there across. We were sitting across from where we have lived. So yeah, 8.1. What do you give yours?
I give jumbos based on the size of the slice, the taste, the variety, and the price is like $2. It used to be $1.75 for years. I give it an 8.5. That's really high. These pigeons want some pizza.
So yeah, you said 8.5. I said 8.1.
Mm-hmm.
It does definitely have like some grease stank afterwards. Like
I love that. Honestly,
and some people like that.
I like a greasy slice of pizza. I like a floppy, greasy piece of pizza. If your pizza is dry and it's crispy like a cracker, that's just weird. That's not pizza. I shouldn't say that's not pizza because
Well, no, but like
one of your favorite pizzas is literally a
anyways.
cracker.
So if you like this, just let us know. Let us know where you fucking like your pizza. Let us know where we should fucking go eat pizza next, because it's not just pizza that we're gonna do. But I like pizza. I like burgers. I like pasta. I like basic shit that makes you really fucking chunky. I like to get chunky. You like to get chunky? Get fucking chunky. Make it chunky. Make it funky. Fucking check out my dancing monkey. I don't give a shit. I'm bananas.